piggy bank to grow.
Well, making a shrewd investment is the soundest way I know. This way, please, prospects.
How do you do? It's Joey McScrooge back again with another Sealed Market Watch Monday. Yes, sir. Man, we have a lot of stuff to cover today, and please forgive me for my background. I am indeed selling off more Pokemon sealed product, and well, going to be buying more Lorcana sealed product. So, without any further ado, let's look into the sealed products of this week's Market Watch Monday. Yes, sir. So starting off here, I thought we would take it all the way back to the very first kind of sealed product we have here. We have the D23 Expo promo set from 2022. These do include the 6 first edition Disney Lorcana cards with Elsa, Captain Hook, Stitch, Robin Hood, Maleficent, Dragon, and indeed Cruella de Vil. And well, on TCG Player, we are looking at a $11,000 listing, and that is the only one listed. There has been no sales data in the most recent. The only thing I could find, I had to go over to eBay, and well, I have seen a sale for $7,750 with the folder and letter PSA graded, probably on like the actual sealed little portfolio thing that they come in. So that is very interesting there. It's very hard to find these. There's none listed, or there's that one listed for $11,000 on TCG Player, and I could not really find any on eBay. So let's get into a very interesting thing that's going on right now in the first chapter, the booster box cases. There are 2 listed at $1,500. So the prices have come down $500, which is, well, people were buying these at $2,000, I believe, $1,700. Now you can buy them today for $1,500. Make sure, if you guys are actually in the market for a sealed case of first chapter booster boxes, make sure you check your Facebook Marketplace, where else, OfferUp, marketplaces around your area to see, or, check into your local card shops and see if they have any lying around in the back. And you can probably get a very good deal, sub $1,500 for a case of Disney Lorcana, the first chapter. Yes, sir. Next, we're going into the booster box. A little stagnation here from week to week. Nothing has really changed. We are sitting at $344 shipped to your doorstep, $350. So it looks like we have found a new little range in price in between the $330 and $350 range for the first chapter booster boxes, which is very, very interesting. It is going to be great to cover these going forward to see whether we have hit a ceiling or we are just consolidating right now. Next, the first chapter Illuminaire Trove sitting at $333. Again, stagnation, but I did find this very interesting here. We have 333, 333, 350, 360, and then it jumps. So you have 4 listings before it jumps to 455, and then after that's gone, it's a $500 trove, and these are more rare than probably any other first chapter product on the market today. Next, we have Rise of the Floodborn booster box cases actually starting to move up, sitting at $700 now. You could have got these in the $500 range a few days ago. Let's see, on the 8th, so 4 days ago, you could have got these sub $600. Now they are sitting at $700. So it looks like there was a little bit of there were 2 sales at $587. Again, there weren't a lot listed, so it only took those 2 sales to bump this up. And again, guys, cases of this, it's probably going to go to this $800 mark, $1,000 mark very, 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 very quickly. And the regular booster box is still sitting around MSRP, maybe $10 up, a little bit up. Yeah, we're up 2% on the month. We're going up a little bit, little day by day, $150 for the booster box. And right now, on Game Nerds, you can buy this box right now today for $120 plus free shipping. So it'll probably be like around $130 under MSRP still. For Rise of the Floodborns today, they are still in stock. I believe it's a limit of 4. Yep, limit of 4. And, well, if you wanted to get into Rise of the Floodborn under MSRP, well, Game Nerds is allowing you to buy that. And I do not believe that they ship these in a sealed case, because on their website they have sealed case options. So I don't know. They could though. I haven't ordered them, so I believe someone in my Discord tried, and we'll see. I'm gonna see what they say. Get the news from them. Next, into the England's booster box 385. Nothing's really happening right here for the case, a $400 case. No one's really buying these, just going flat. But again, you have 1, 2, and then so once these two get sold, then the lowest list is $434. It jumps up around 10% off of the next two sales if those do get bought at any point. And well, as you can see, there's only one page, so somebody could literally buy this out with a couple $1,000s and push the case prices up, which would be indeed causing more people to list cases. So we'll see what happens there. Regular booster box, $81 for Into the Inklings. Again, not really any volume, no real interest. 6 items sold for $80, and it's an $80 booster box still. Nothing's really moving with that. Ursula's Return booster box case, one of the cheapest cases on the market today. $350 plus tax shipped to your door, which is very, very interesting. Let me put my camera over on this side. I don't know why I'm on that right side. That is very interesting indeed. So the regular booster box, $73, the cheapest booster box in the entire hobby. Yes, sir. Next, we have Shimmering Skies booster box case, $430.99, shipping included. So what is that, like $107-ish a box? No real premium under MSRP. Very interesting. You have the Mufasa and the Scar in there as well. Regular box though, $115. So you are, something's off here. And if you want cases of Shimmering Skies, it is cheaper to act, or if you want booster boxes, it's actually cheaper to buy the cases. So it's cheaper to invest in a better investment than it is to buy the single box by itself. That doesn't really make sense at all, but again, guys, take advantage while you can, while this stuff is all under MSRP. I promise you, if Disney Lorcana ever does take off, you are going to be laughing to the bank with your profits on these boxes and cases. Next, you can get right now today Shimmering Skies booster boxes for $90 on Game Nerds right now today. Literally right now today. Limit of 2 per box. So you can buy them now, $90, free shipping, and they sell on the secondary market for $115. So you're getting like a 20-ish% discount. Next, Azurite C, $379 for the case, the second cheapest case. And well, there are more cases of these. I'm not really too high on Azurite C myself. I don't really like the gold chase cards, but to each their own. Single box for $94.44, extremely undervalued in my personal opinion, down 20% on the year. And it's a $90 box. But Game Nerds, you can buy these for $80 plus free shipping, limit of 2 on their website right now today. So that is a $10 savings. Next, Arcasia's Island Booster Box case, $375. Again, extremely undervalued, $375. There's quite a few cases on the market. But single booster box, $92.60. A lot of single booster boxes on the market. Next, Reign of Jafar, $389.25, shipping included to your door, sub $400 case, but you are going to indeed probably be paying like $420, $430 for with tax shipped to your doorstep. Great set, by the way. Reign of Jafar, $95 singular booster box. Chases in this set are absolutely crazy. I do not think boxes should be this cheap. And we are going into Fable, the booster box case, sub $600 now, in the $500 range. I believe these drop down to even low 500s on the booster box case restock. The second wave, I don't know if all the stores got their second wave or not, but there are not a lot of cases that came to market, in my personal opinion, and that is going to be very interesting for the case prices coming up here pretty soon. Again, sitting at $140, so we finally got one set that sat at MSRP. It's going to be very interesting to see over the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months to a year to 2 years to 3 years to see where this box pans out. I know the iconic Mickey and Minnie go crazy, and this box art is the best box art. The chase cards are the best chase cards, so this is indeed the strongest set in Disney Lorcana today. Yes, sir. Next, Whispers in the Well booster box case, $660. If you want to pre-order it today, I do not think that this is a good price to be pre-ordering stuff at, because you can see Fabled went into the $500 range. And it's going to be interesting to see actually what the chase cards are in this set to really form a great opinion. We still have a month before this set releases. And the booster box 157.78. This is just pre-order FOMO. People trying to lock in boxes, be first to open, first to make content, just that type of stuff, all that type of good stuff. So this has been your weekly Lorcana Sealed Market Watch Monday update. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Are you guys picking anything up? Have you guys been, are you guys going to take advantage of that Game Nerd sale of, what was it, Shimmering Skies, Azurite Sea, both on like fire sale right now. Very, very, very good prices to pick those boxes up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will most certainly be seeing you guys on Wednesday for Lorcana's singles Market Watch Wednesday. Let me know what singles you guys want me to go over, and I will do that for you guys on Wednesday.